Hello everyone, so in this video I'm going to talk about why instrumentation engineering is perhaps one of the best branches of IIT Kharagpur, perhaps even comparable to CSE if we talk about research, scope and placements. So without further ado, let's start the video. So hello Geek Army. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Nilan Sikdar and I'm an incoming software engineer at Amazon. I'm also a final year student at IIT Kharagpur, enrolled in its BTech course of Instrumentation Engineering, which falls under the Department of Electrical Engineering here at IIT Kharagpur. And I can safely say this, that I'm extremely lucky to be studying in this branch with my incredibly smart batchmates, and I'm going to give you 4 reasons why instrumentation engineering is one of the best branches here at IIT Kharagpur. Now, before coming to IIT Kharagpur, I had no idea what instrumentation engineering meant. I had no idea what circuital meant or what the placement scenario was like. And I literally enrolled in instrumentation engineering because of 2 reasons. One, I heard that electrical engineering was extremely cool and the word instrumentation engineering sounded even cooler. And also I thought that I would be dealing with instruments all the time, like telescope बनाएंगे, NASA पे जाएंगे. These were the thoughts that were coming to my head before joining instrumentation engineering, so I joined. And another reason that I had was my Mamaji actually did his MTech and PhD in nanotechnology here at IIT Kharagpur. So he knew a great deal about this branch. So he told me to join this branch and thus I did. ये था मेरा backstory. But if I have to tell you to join a course in IIT Kharagpur, I might even suggest you to join instrumentation engineering over electrical engineering and perhaps even over electronics engineering. And I have my reasons. And in this video, I'm going to tell you 4 reasons why I feel instrumentation engineering is absolutely a beast branch and is one of the best branches here at IIT Kharagpur. Reason 1, course structure. Now, instrumentation engineering has a very comfortable course structure and is not very loaded compared to electrical engineering or electronics engineering. And this actually gives you the time to explore various things in college, which is why we actually come to college, right? Like obviously हम लोग IIT पे desired branch choose करके नहीं आते. When we come to IIT, branch ऐसे मिलता है like rank. आपके rank के हिसाब से branch मिलेगा. Like obviously if we got the choice, most of us would take CSE, right? But हम लोग CSE नहीं ले पाते because rank वैसा नहीं आया. That is why we choose other branches, like desired branches नहीं ले पाते. But instrumentation engineering, being not very loaded, actually gives you the time and opportunity to explore other fields and actually do what you love. And if we look at the course structure of instrumentation engineering, you will see that हम लोग को credits always 20, 21, 19 ऐसे करके इस रेंज में ही रहता है. एंड इफ यू टेक इन एडिशनल देन वो 23, 24 पे जाता है. बट इलेक्ट्रिकल इंजीनियरिंग, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स इंजीनियरिंग, इन लोग का क्रेडिट्स आप लोग देखना कि हमेशा 22, 23. तो ऑलवेज हर सेमेस्टर में there's an increase of 2 credits उनका. सो 2 credits काफी मैटर कर जाता है when you are in an IIT. और 2 credits मतलब ऑब्वियसली एक क्लास ज्यादा बढ़ जाता है. सो 2 credits की वजह से यू माइट फेस सम प्रॉब्लम एंड दैट माइट गिव यू लेस टाइम टू एक्सप्लोर थिंग्स. इसके वजह से इंस्ट्रूमेंटेशन इंजीनियरिंग इज वेरी कंफर्टेबल इन टर्म्स ऑफ एक्सप्लोरिंग अदर थिंग्स एंड अपॉर्चुनिटी. रीजन नंबर 2, माइनर इन CSE. लाइक आई हैव टॉक्ड इन माय प्रीवियस रीजन दैट हम लोग को अगर डिजायर्ड ये मिलता, वी वुड ऑल गो टू CSE. लाइक मोस्ट ऑफ अस वुड गो टू CSE. एंड दैट्स वाई देयर इज दिस थिंग कॉल्ड माइनर एंड मेजर इन IITs कि आप लोग माइनर कर सकते हो इन CSE. बीइंग मेजर आपका इंस्ट्रूमेंटेशन हो, इलेक्ट्रिकल हो, कुछ भी मेजर हो, आप माइनिंग से भी हो सकते हो. बट यू कैन डू अ माइनर इन CSE एंड उसके लिए यू हैव टू डू अ फ्यू सब्जेक्ट्स, एक्स्ट्रा सब्जेक्ट्स जिनको एडिशनल लेना पड़ता है. एंड इफ यू कंप्लीट दिस सब्जेक्ट्स then you'll be getting a minor in computer science. जो लिखा रहता है आपकी डिग्री ऊपर, that major in instrumentation engineering and minor in computer science and engineering. Now if we look at the requirements for computer science and engineering, it has said that a total of 6 courses must be taken and then courses का नाम भी लिखा हुआ है that like algorithms 1, algorithms 2 जो आपको 3rd semester में लेना होगा. Then you can take either of these subjects, then computer architecture. Now the best thing about instrumentation engineering is that the only course जो ये elective के इसमें नहीं है is algorithm. So बाकी सब कोर्सेज जो है जैसे DEC, डिजिटल इलेक्ट्रॉनिक सर्किट, कंप्यूटर आर्किटेक्चर एंड ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम, इट इज ऑलरेडी देयर इन आवर डेप्थ. मतलब वो हम लोग का मेन सब्जेक्ट लाइन में ही है. सो यू डोंट हैव टू टेक दिस सब्जेक्ट्स विद एडिशनल, एक्स्ट्रा लोड नहीं पड़ेगा आपको. और सब्जेक्ट्स उसके साथ एडिशनल नहीं लेना पड़ेगा. These subjects are already there in your depth, so you don't have to take these subjects as an additional. Thus, this makes it extremely easy for you to do a minor in CSE. And this is one of the great reasons why instrumentation engineering, like people choose instrumentation engineering, because it's very easy to do a minor in CSE. Like both of my roommates are doing minors in CSE, and it's extremely easy to do so because सारे subjects already आपके depth में है, and आपको only algorithms 1 और algorithms 1 का lab लेना पड़ेगा in your third semester या फिर fourth semester में. And if I have to say why people do minor actually helps you, like बोलते हैं कि काफी कुछ कंपनीज एक्स्ट्रा खुल जाती है, लाइक लॉट ऑफ कंपनीज ओपन फॉर यू, एंड देन इफ यू आर डूइंग अ मास्टर्स और अ पीएचडी इन कंप्यूटर साइंस, इफ यू वांट टू डू अ मास्टर्स एंड पीएचडी इन कंप्यूटर साइंस बट यू आर नॉट फ्रॉम कंप्यूटर साइंस, लाइक आपका मेजर नहीं है कंप्यूटर साइंस, देन इट ऑल्सो बिकम्स वेरी इजी फॉर यू टू डू मास्टर्स अब्रॉड using that minor in computer science. So that is why a lot of people do minor in computer science, because masters के लिए help होता है, and obviously placement भी थोड़ा बहुत help हो जाता है. Now reason number 3, we are considered circuital, but yet technically we are not really a circuital branch. Now we are not technically a circuital branch because if you see circuital branches like electrical, electronics, इनका रैंक आप अगर खड़गपुर में देखोगे then 500, 400, 900 इधर तक इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स का जाता है, इलेक्ट्रिकल इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स का जाता है. But if we see about instrumentation engineering, it goes till 2100, 2200, the ranks go till that range. So आपका मतलब you get all the perks of being in a circuital branch, but yet आप circuital branch में नहीं हो और आप पीछे की रैंक से भी you can get into that circuital branch के डोर पे. Now let me tell you why we are not technically a circuital branch, but we are considered one. So one reason is that since we fall under the electrical engineering department, we are considered somewhat circuital. We get all the perks related to all the electrical engineering students get. That is the peer group, professors, the societies. Like तो सारे जो perks मिलते हैं electrical engineering student, we get all of that. And also if we talk about placements, barring maybe 1-2 companies, all the companies which open for all the circuital branches, they all open for us. Like Google, Microsoft, सब कुछ open कर जाता है for circuital branches. जो non circuital के लिए भी काफी time नहीं खुलता है, but for us, instrumentation engineering, they do open. So this is one of the best advantages that we have in terms of being at instrumentation engineering branch. Now consider this, you are in instrumentation engineering, आपका रैंक थोड़ा पीछे की तरफ आया, but you are very interested in electrical engineering. So what can you do? If we talk about the difference between electrical and instrumentation and its course structure, बस 1-2 courses रहते हैं जो उनका रहता है, हम लोग का नहीं रहता है, and we have other courses for that. जो जस्ट 1-2 कोर्सेस रहता है. एंड आई हैव प्रीवियसली टॉक्ड अबाउट कि हाउ आवर क्रेडिट इज ऑलवेज 2 credits or 3 credits less, right? So what we can do is that if you are really interested in electrical engineering, you can just take those 1-2 subjects as additional. एंड इसके वजह से आपका कोर्स लोडेड नहीं हो जाएगा. योर कोर्स स्ट्रक्चर विल एक्चुअली बिकम वेरी सिमिलर टू इलेक्ट्रिकल इंजीनियरिंग. सो यू गेट ऑल द पर्क्स ऑफ बीइंग इन इलेक्ट्रिकल इंजीनियरिंग डिस्पाइट बीइंग लाइक आपका पीछे की तरफ रैंक हो, बट स्टिल यू आर इन इंस्ट्रूमेंटेशन इंजीनियरिंग, बट यू गेट ऑल द पर्क्स टू इलेक्ट्रिकल इंजीनियरिंग इफ यू जस्ट टेक दो सब्जेक्ट्स एन एडिशनल, एंड देन यू हैव बेसिकली द सेम एडवांटेजेस. यू आर द सेम एज एन इलेक्ट्रिकल इंजीनियरिंग स्टूडेंट. सो दीज आर सम ऑफ द पर्क्स, सम ऑफ द अमेजिंग पर्क्स दैट वी हैव बीन एट इंस्ट्रूमेंटेशन इंजीनियरिंग. And this is another reason why I feel that instrumentation engineering is one of the most versatile and one of the most best branches in IIT Kharagpur. Now coming to the fourth and the final reason, placements. Now we have all heard that instrumentation engineering has all the perks and advantages that of a circuital branch, and because of this, almost all the companies which open for circuital branch also open for instrumentation engineering, barring maybe just 1-2. So and also one other reason is that instrumentation engineering is a very short, मतलब बहुत छोटा branch. We have only a batch strength of maybe 32 to 33 students. And if we talk about the students like who have gotten placed, who have gotten internships, like I can name some people and you will be absolutely amazed about the people. मैं नाम ही बोल देता हूँ. Abhinav Google Software, Sohini Google Hardware, Tanuj Sharaf, Goldman Sachs, Gaurang Moda, Texas Instruments, me, my roommate Sohan in Amazon, Shreyas, Wells Fargo, Payal, Google, and there are so many other people as well. Like last year was extremely good in terms of placements and internships in our branch, because our branch like almost सब लोग को बहुत बढ़िया internship offer मिले थे, and almost all of us got PPOs this year. And this was during COVID at its peak at 2020, जब companies लोग hire भी नहीं कर रहे थे. That is when instrumentation engineering students actually showed their worth. And like this is why I feel that instrumentation engineering is one of the best branches to join at IIT Kharagpur, because you have all the reasons you can to join a branch. Like आपका versatile है, course structure loaded नहीं है, you can explore other things. आप minor कर सकते हो CSE में बहुत easily, आपका placements बढ़िया है, and if like we get all the advantages of being a circuital branch, yet not being in circuital technically, like what else do you want, right? And this is why I feel that instrumentation engineering is one of the best branches of IIT Kharagpur, perhaps even over electrical and electronics if you want that time to explore. Like my roommate Sohan, he actually got a department change. Like वो instrumentation में था पहले से, but उसका CGPA बहुत high था, like 9.5 था. At the end of his first year, and we get a choice कि हम लोग department change करना चाहते हैं कि नहीं. So he got a department change to electrical, मतलब choice मिला था. He could have changed the department to electrical engineering, but he did not. He chose to stay in instrumentation engineering, and the result shows. He got his internship at Amazon, and the result shows in all the students in our branch as well. And if you have the chance to join IIT Kharagpur, I definitely suggest you to join this branch. So guys, if you like this video, do hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. And obviously write instrumentation engineering OP in the comments to let me know that you have watched this video till the end. And also, if you guys have any video suggestions that you want me to make, do write them down in the comments below and I'll definitely make them. Chalo, bye bye Geek Army. See you all in the next video.